Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. Excited to present to you guys a gorgeous 2018 McLaren 720S Performance. As you see, many very tasteful upgrades on this 720, both cosmetic and performance. 19,000 miles, flawless history, MSO blue, entire car including all carbon, full PPF front to back. It is a M-engineered tuned car, full downpipes, titanium exhaust, Volson 21s in the rear, 20s in the front. As you see, 765 side skirts. Carbon everywhere on this car. Make sure to go to our website, davisautosports.com, for a full spec sheet. Car has many additional upgrades in what we'll be mentioning in this video. This is more so just a cosmetic condition report. That's a glare right there. That's a reflection. The spoiler is full PPF as well. Literally the entire car is full PPF. As mentioned, titanium exhaust, full catless downpipes as well. M Engineering tune, turbo inlets, 765 accumulators for the suspension, full carbon fiber front diffuser, splitters, headlights, hood, mirrors, roof scoop, 765 side skirts, full carbon fiber in the back engine cover, spoiler. These are PPF as well. They're done with a matte satin PPF. Full carbon fiber interior around your drive settings, your nav, your AC, your drive modes, center console lid, your bottom kick plate, your storage bin right there as well. That's just the lighter button that's out. That's just a smudge from my hand right there. Carbon fiber steering wheel. Books, manuals, extra kits, your tools as well, and most importantly, we have 2 full keys. The keys are also nice titanium covers. The other cover is red. Go ahead and give it a quick startup. All right, guys, as always, we're going to do a drivability. But before we do that, just do a quick walk around so you can see this thing outside in the sunlight. Let it warm up before we head out. Beautiful, beautiful car. Full PPF as well. Got the Paris blue. Got a beautiful pearl orange. Got a matte black. Car is an M-engineered tuned car. Does have 4 maps. Essentially, while you're in neutral, I'll give you a quick rundown real quick. Car's got to be in neutral. Hit the stalk here. As you see it blinking, the RPM gauge. Just give me 1 second. Four, 3, 2, and 1. Tune 1 is 93 octane no pop. Tune 2 is 93 with pop. And Tune 3 is E85 no pop. And 4 is E85 with pop. Right now, we'll let it warm up a little bit. So this car is pretty much the way you would want it. Downpipes, exhaust, turbo inlets, blow off valves, M-engineered tune, 765 accumulators. Car's an absolute rocket.
obviously. Car performs absolutely beautiful, guys. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to contact us, 855-955-3377. Thank you.